Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with 911 Studios and we are going over the most fun summer products on all of Amazon. This is the Intex Dinoland Inflatable Water Play Center. You guys, this is so cool. How cute is this? There are two different pools, a water slide, a water sprayer, and check out, you've got your dinosaur that's kind of holding the ring to make like a basketball hoop. You've got the pterodactyl bird thing with his little beak up for ring toss. You can slide balls down the side. It comes with these inflatable rings and inflatable balls, so your kids have a lot of options of games that they can play. Of course, choosing either the smaller or the larger pool to play in, plus the slide. I love as far as safety goes. I'm not sure you can tell from this picture, but there is an extra inflatable pad at the bottom of the slide just to ensure that if they're coming in hot and fast down the slide, they are going to still be comfortable and safe. And this is just such a fun toy. Really cool. Intex, you guys know, they are known for durability and quality when it comes to inflatable toys, so you know that you can trust their products. They are great. You might want to pick up an Intex air pump as well. It's going to make inflating this and deflating this much faster and easier, so your kids can get to playing even sooner. I know that that's what they're gonna want to do when they get this awesome toy, so go ahead and put this in your cart. You are gonna be so glad that you did.